Well, hello there, internet people. Welcome back to my channel. It is Legal Activity here again. Right, today we're going to talk about SVR, Street View Reviewer, and copyright strikes. Is that quite a few actually? But I've jumped ahead too fast. Right, we're going to look at this first, haven't we? The legal right of the owner of intellectual property, basically copyright. Layman's terms. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm recording this video to post it on YouTube. And guess what? I will own a copyright. Now, if someone wants to use my creation, they can politely ask me. I can decline. I can say yes or say no. But if they use it without my permission, and I don't like what they've done to my creation, my video, well, I can ask them to take it down. That's what I would do anyway if someone did that. I politely ask them to take it down, give them 14 days. Then if they don't take it down, I'll ask them again and give them 14 days. But then I'll say, well, if you don't take it down, you will leave me with no option to go through the copyright process on YouTube to get the video taken down. Now we come to this, Auditing Britain. Now, Auditing Britain visited a job centre, and SVR did a video on that. And the police attended, and afterwards I had a chat with AB, and then he left. They gave him a thumbs up. But what's happened now, AB has decided to use the process, the copyright process, and say, mate, you can't use my video. So the video's now been taken down. Of course, now what SVR is doing is jumped onto his community page and posted, just saying, you know, copyright infringement, video's been taken down. I reported AB to the Wiltshire police. Don't know why, because the police came, like I said, and they left. Anyway, that's the difference between him, the police, and AB, right? Now, also in that post, he mentions Ace Audits. Apparently, Ace Audits sent this, I don't know, allegedly this email to YouTube, and calling him a troll, didn't like that, and just saying that he's hiding behind fair dealing. Didn't like that, so he puts his reply. It's a long reply, okay? And the only thing I've taken from that long reply is this one, is this bit where he says that as far as he's concerned, there isn't any copyright infringement, simply because, hold on, get this a minute, because he believes that the auditors stroke YouTubers are committing offences. That's his opinion, okay, on fair dealing. They're committing offences. Not that's what he's saying. And also, he also goes on to say, well, some auditors don't mind me reviewing their videos because it gives them more views. Of course they don't mind, because it's exactly that. It does give it more views. Now, if you've been in YouTube a long time, as long as I have, not this channel, obviously, if you get people who don't like you, they will watch your videos, and the video will, and your audience will grow. I mean, he's got 4,000 and a bit followers, right? On his channel, he gets 2,000 views. What's the other 2,000 doing? He doesn't get 2,000 people in the comments. He gets 2,000 views. So it could be he's got maybe, I don't know, 3,500 loyal followers, and the rest are just want to see what he's up to. I don't know. Yeah, so I think that's how indirectly he's dealing with fair dealing. And now we come to fair dealing. Now, in the UK, fair dealing is a legal concept that allows for limited uses of copyrighted material without permission from the copyright holder. Okay? Now, the uploader, which is SVR, he doesn't decide fair dealing. He doesn't. It's not up to him. YouTube don't decide neither. It's up to the courts to decide. But I think that YouTube are a bit naughty, because in their community guidelines, right, they do say, you know, if you feel someone has infringed on your copyright, make sure that, you know, you double check if they're not put it up and it is fair dealing. So, but they can't do that. But I think they're a bit naughty in doing that. So they sort of like say, well, are you sure it's fair dealing or not? How are you going to know? If you disagree with it, the courts will decide. So what I'm saying here is, what I understand with SVR, he doesn't tell his subscribers, look, they can do it. But no, he says, well, what I'm doing is okay as far as I'm concerned. No, the court decide. Let's get this right. It's case by case, on a case by case basis. That's all it is. The courts decide. Now, I was talking to an American lawyer recently, right? And she said to me that over there it's fair use. And she said fair dealing and fair use is not a thing. Because if someone uses even 3 seconds of your IP, you can put in a copyright strike. I don't know whether it's the same over here, because I think people who actually uses other people's content, they try not to use too much of it. And sometimes also YouTube can call it as reuse content, which is different to copyright. So anyway, so I thought I'd make it clear that fair dealing is not decided by YouTube or the uploader. It's decided by the courts. Any of this case is going to get to court? Don't know. We'll have to wait and see. And one last thing I want to say, the BP re-upload has now been taken down. Now, I'm not quite sure what was taken down. Could it be copyright as well? We'll never know. It might go up again. We'll have to wait and see. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll see you on the next one. Peace, people, and out.